rubric criteria. So like as I told you, task achievement and coherence and cohesion, then lexical ability, grammar, range and accuracy. So obviously these are the things. Like task achievement, you know that task, obviously how much you have conveyed the message, and task achievement, that like task 1 and task 2 means like you have make sure that you have achieved that. Even task 1, 150 words, make sure that you have completed that. You haven't written like 140 or 130 or 135. And as I said to you, coherence and cohesion is like linking the paragraph and linking the sentences. Like after one sentence, you know, like there should be a comma, you put comma, and the although, therefore, after that, after all, this is like coherence. So these things are very does all these kind of things. These are very important. And lexical ability means the advanced vocabulary you have to use, and the range of the vocabulary as well. Even if you're using advanced vocabulary, you should be having the variety, not like the same advanced vocabulary you are using over and over again. And grammar, you know very well. Grammar range means like throw some passive voice and some like phrasal verbs and modal verbs. Not like you are just using past, simple past, simple past, simple past. You can try some simple past perfect as well, and some like present perfect continuous since for, and these kind of things. You have to show that range of grammar as well, so they can know that you have no issues with grammar as well. You have to show them some variety of the grammar as well. Then rubric criteria, you got task achievement, obviously. This relates to providing a clear purpose and addressing all of the key points with a expanded clear detail. And coherence, cohesion refers to the flow, sequence and organization. Cohesion means linking words that help you connect ideas. It also relates to how sentences are linked together to form a paragraph. This is lexical, considers the variety and use of vocabulary. They are looking how often you repeat and copy words from that task. So obviously if you keep repeating those same vocabulary, you should be using the variety of vocabulary. Avoid common and simple words, so say to get, to help, to do, spelling mistakes. So obviously avoid using common words. So if you're talking about technology, try to use innovation. So advanced kind of words. Don't try to use like simple words. Okay, and then grammar, the ability to use correct and precise grammar with control. Being able to use a variety of sentences, structures like different like modal verbs, even passive voice, senses and other items to convey intended meaning.